Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am doing my go-to turban tutorial. It's my most requested video so far. If you really like this video, by the end make sure you thumbs it up. Comment whatever other videos that you want to see, and like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. So we're gonna get right into the video and enjoy it. Bye. We're going to start off with my undercap. So this is just a regular black thin pashmina scarf that I basically just wrapped around my bun because I do have super curly hair. So I just put it in a bun back here, and then I just wrap the scarf around, and it usually gives me enough volume to go on throughout my day, but sometimes I do flat iron my hair. I usually reach for the spider, which looks like this. I think I've shown it a couple of times on these videos. Anytime I'm not wearing the black pashmina scarf, I always reach for a silk undercap, and this one I actually got from Amazon a while ago. So I basically have stretched it out, and it looks like a beanie kind of, but it's satin in it to protect the curly hair, and I usually just put it on my head and apply barber pins. I'm going to show you how I do my go-to turban, the gesso scarf in the color Dusty Mauve. So basically you're going to fold it about 2/3 of the way down to where it looks like that, and I'm going to take it and flip it right over my head like so. And you really want to do kind of even on both sides. I have a huge forehead, and I prefer to show my hairline. So we're just gonna take it to the back, and you can either tie it in the back, but I don't do that. And you will notice also my turbans require no pins. So you're gonna take, it's gonna be a shorter side and a longer side. And you're gonna take the shorter side, and you're gonna just flip it around the back of the bun, like so. And when you get to the other side, you're just gonna take it and tuck it underneath the turban. But you wanna make sure that you wrap it as tight as possible. And don't worry if you have some sticking out like I have it sticking out on the side. You're just gonna really tuck that in, and then you're gonna take the other side, you're gonna flatten it out kind of, and you're gonna flip it around the head, but you're gonna come up some, because I feel like if you pull it too upwards, it looks too weird for me personally. And I'm just gonna take it, wrap it around, and I'm gonna tuck it into this side. And that is basically the first turban. Now, this is something that I wear to work all the time. And usually, these scarves, this is a crinkled cotton scarf. This one is just a regular, I wanna say it's called a Turkish cotton scarf. They also sell it at Gesso, but I don't think I got this from Gesso. And this is normally what I wear to work, and I'm just going to quickly show you this on this. These two are my #1 types of scarves to wear turbans with. I have tried to wear them with the chiffon scarves, but I honestly think that chiffon scarves are better as like as far as something quick. There's two different ones that I have. I believe this one I got from Amazon, and it's a really thick chiffon, and it's not something that I would wear as far as a turban goes, because #1, it's too thick, and it's not as long as you would need it to be. Whereas this chiffon hijab is from Gesso, and it is a lot thinner than the other one, but it's still not as long, but I can still make it work. I'm going to show you with this one. Once again, I'm going to fold it 2/3 of the way, and this is basically for the low bun and for someone who doesn't want a lot of volume on the top, because the chiffon scarf does not give you a lot of volume. So I'm going to wrap it, and with the chiffon I am going to tie it in a knot like so, and I have a short side and a long side, and I'm going to wrap it at the bottom of the bun and try to tuck it into the bottom. So I have it in, and now I'm going to do the same thing, the exact same thing on the other side. So since this one was so short, I'm going to take that one and wrap it around the same area that I just wrapped, and I'm going to tuck it into the bottom of my turban. I'm just going to fix my sides and make sure everything is tucked. And this is basically the look. It is, I feel like you really have to get used to it. I think this is really cute. And you can stick like a couple of pins if you want to, just to make sure that it holds in place. But I always find that these always slide back. But ever since I actually use gel on my edges, it doesn't really slide back. Anytime that you can feel the difference between scarves, and this scarf, I love it. I love it for wearing turbans because it's lightweight, it's really pretty, and I love it. So sometimes I would wear this scarf just as is. I would take it just like I started the other one, and I will flip this one around my head. And sometimes what I like to do with this particular scarf, I'll tie it on the side like so, and then I'll just leave this down, and I just think it's so cute. My last one that I really like is basically with these frayed edges out, and this time I'm going to take it even as possible, and I really want to accentuate these areas like they're baby hairs. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to wrap it around the bun. So then I'm going to take these edges and I'm basically going to lay them as close to the front but still leaving some area, just like that. And I'm going to wrap it and tuck it into the turban. Basically that is my look for today, and that's basically the end of this video. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it in your social media, share it with your friends. If you know someone who's struggling with wearing turbans, definitely give them this video. Make sure you thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll be sure to post more videos in the future. Bye.